Yo guys, so early morning, and it's again snowing. But today we are going to pick up Tim and go to the guy that did his roll bar. So I'm kind of curious to compare what the differences between welders are, and you know, see the difference between how they decided to do the finished product. So we'll be heading up to Worcester. We'll first pick up Tim, we'll go to Worcester, and then do all that comparison. And I heard he's got 6 shops, so hopefully he'll let me show you guys around. So I'm pretty excited. I'm not excited for this drive. It's like an hour in the snow, but it is what it is. So I'll take you guys when we see Tim.
Is this how far back it can go?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Dude, the man, the myth, the legend.
Hi. My name is Tim, and
I think people know.
I dream to be a race car driver.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go pick up the race car right now. I'm really excited.
Yeah, no, I'm actually really excited. I'm glad you kind of called me to pick you up because I wanted to compare.
Oh yeah.
Because I was talking to Chuck actually.
Mr. Chuck?
Yeah, and he was
yeah.
The way he did the rear strut bars was interesting.
Yep. Yeah, he did it.
So,
we talked about it. We looked at your video. We were watching your video. And
heck yeah, let's go. That's what it's for.
Yeah, we were like, how is Phil gonna do it? So
yeah, we just did because the 4-point actually goes to the rear.
Yeah.
The wheel wells.
Yeah. So
and it looks like your bars are like hella long.
Yeah, so Kirk gave us an extra like foot, but we didn't go to the wheel well because it's a really thin piece of metal, and Chuck was actually hammering around to find some more like thicker metal that wouldn't like collapse if there was anything to happen with the roll bar. Yeah. So we had a discussion about that with Derek, the guy that I did it with.
Isn't it so much better?
Can you guys see that? You'll put these on real quick. Keep talking though.
Yeah, no, but yeah, we're talking about it, but we didn't have the extra link. Yeah, that's nice, dude.
Yeah.
That's
these are Chuck's. Thanks, Chuck.
I gotta tell you about the visor I got, but we went with the wheel well because that's what it normally does. What?
You want me to hold it for you?
No, that's all good. It's good. But it's thin, but it should hold because the main hoop should be the one that protects from a collapse.
Yep.
The rear bars should really just prevent the aft and throw, if that's the right term.
Yep.
But yeah, so we're gonna go to Chuck's. Tim told me he had a sick shop. So
oh yeah. Oh yeah. We'll see it. We'll see it. It's nice and heated, and he got race cars in there. And
damn, I want a heated garage one day. Yeah. That's the goal.
Chuck, you just need a lift, Chuck. we can keep donating.
From the photos I saw, I was like, there's no lift, but it probably does good work.
No, Chuck is a master at his craft. Yeah. Chuck is a master at his craft.
All right, so we'll see you guys at the shop. I'm just gonna skip the driving because the driving sucks. So we'll see you guys there. Heck yeah. All right, so Tim's done major work on his 4Runner the last time I saw it, so we'll give him the camera to shoot the little walk around. I don't know what the little intricacies here.
Okay. All right, so we got whoops, we got 12,000 pound winch, so that's hidden right there. It's a factory 5 what is it, winch head, so that's 12,000 pounds rated winch. This is a full aluminum bumper that's made by Hefty Fabworks. We got 34-inch tires coming. These are Metal Tech rock sliders. Oh man, these are pretty beef. Dude. We got the Prinsu roof rack ARB awning.
It's almost as thick as our roll bar.
My favorite piece is this rear bumper right here. So this rear bumper is made by Southern styled off-road, so it's a dual swing out, and yeah, it's pretty sick.
Dude, this
a lot of armor.
Sitting right above it.
Right, and welding, right? Yo, what up guys, we're at Chuck's, and Tim's car is pretty much all done. Just buttoning up the interior. He's got the harnesses in already. And then I wanted to show you guys with the Kirk Roll Bar, if it would focus here. Chuck decided to tag it to the strut. This metal seems to be, what would you guys say? It was more...
It's like styrofoam.
What? No, the strut brace versus the pan floor. What would you guys explain that as? It's just better structurally?
Oh, definitely. And it's at least double wall.
Oh yeah. Because Chuck took a hammer to it and he was pounding on it, and we could. I mean,
Like you can dent this pretty easily, but this guy you don't dent. Plus, it's tied into the strut tower, which is one of the stiffest parts of the car.
And if you ever flip, I think the whole car is done anyway. So.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So, yeah, I think that is a good option. However, Kirk is like good company, but they also are not consistent. The bars that came with Tim's kit was like what, 6 inches longer than this.
Yeah.
And mine was just barely in voice crack, barely enough to reach the wheel well. So we had to figure that out. But yeah, it looks sick.
And if we end up doing the X brace, it'll be a nice setup for that.
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, so the X brace is gonna go across like this, or at least just one or two. What does the X brace like actually provide? I really don't know. But
It's basically triangulation between both sides of the car. So
if you don't mind me filming you.
No. So if you do have an impact on, say, the top of your B pillar, what it does is it transmits the loads to more parts of the car, which distributes it better, and you know it improves the structural rigidity of the system.
See, I had that all in my head, but I wouldn't be able to explain it all.
I got lucky.
Yeah.
I drift off and forget what I'm talking about.
And then Tim right here is just buttoning everything up. I'm gonna help him in a bit because I've just been a piece of crap and just sitting around talking.
Supervising.
Supervising, yeah, that's the correct term.
Good job, Tim.
I would also mention that with the Kirk bar, I mean, it was. You said it was. What did you say, Phil? It was inconsistent.
Yeah, very inconsistent with. I wouldn't say the main hoop is inconsistent,
yeah.
but the
Oh, we're good. We're good.
the rear bars were, because as you can see, these bars go all the way back to the strut brace, and Chuck said they were longer than that, and he had to cut them down.
Okay, yeah.
Mine were short, way shorter than what they currently are.
Yep. Yeah, maybe Kirk was just more generous with me.
But maybe these are the welding kit ones, and they sent you the bolt-in kit ones.
Yeah, maybe they mix match something. Yeah, that would.
I feel like they wouldn't vary that much. Like
They shouldn't vary that much since they're they're advertising in SCCA. I think they would have held a better standard. But yeah, it shit happens. But Tim and myself both have roll bars now. Pretty stoked.
Yeah.
VIR in 2 weeks.
Yay! Yep.
So
2 weeks. Yeah, Chuck can't go.
yeah, I should have told you about it. My bad.
I wouldn't have been able to go anyways. I got midterms.
Midterms in school.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll ask about that after I'm done filming because we don't need everyone listening to that. But Chuck has an awesome setup here. Workbench. Very neat.
Yeah.
Better than what I do.
It's rustic cool.
Oh, it's so sick. I would show you guys the outside, but I don't want to show where Chuck lives. I don't think
It's all good.
my 150 subscribers will find where you live, you know. And then Chuck's got an RX-8 back here, stripped down. I think he said he was going to K-swap it, and he's got a pretty sick cage in here as well. Full cage. So Chuck is the guy to go to if you're in the Palmer area. He is super sick dude. So I'm gonna leave you guys at that. I don't want to be intruding and then just sitting around. So I'll see you guys in the next one.